Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Murdeshwar. My name is Shritish Murdeshwar,
And I'm Siddharth Murdeshwar.
and as you guys know, 31st or the New Year's Eve is around the corner. So we have decided to show you how to make chicken popcorn and soya popcorn. So let's get started.
To begin with, let's get started with chicken popcorn. For this, we'll take chicken breast, dice it to small cubes. We'll need an egg, cayenne pepper, red chili powder, garlic chili paste, dried red chili flakes, Dijon mustard, black pepper, salt as per taste, all-purpose flour or maida, breadcrumbs, cornflakes which we will grind into fine powder, and then we need refined vegetable oil for frying. Now I'll start with the marination. Add salt. I'll add cayenne pepper, then chili flakes, then I'll add black pepper, then ginger garlic chili paste, then I'll add Dijon mustard, then I'll add red chili powder. Now I'll mix it well. I've mixed the chicken with the marinade, and now I'll keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now let's heat up the oil for frying. For crumb coat, we need finely powdered cornflakes, breadcrumbs, salt and pepper for taste. And then we'll mix it. For egg coat, beat up the egg and then add black pepper. Marinated chicken, dry coat it with maida, dip it in the egg wash, dry coat it with the crumb coat, and then put it in the oil.
Now I'm going to show you the recipe for the soya popcorn. For the soya popcorn, we have taken 250 grams of soya chunks and have boiled it in salt water. Then we are going to need some besan, maida, need yogurt. Then we are going to need ginger, garlic and chili paste, salt, red chili powder, corn flour, soy sauce, chaat masala, crushed black pepper, breadcrumbs, onion powder, garlic powder, and some oil for frying. For marination, we are going to put some yogurt first, 1 spoon to be exact. We are going to add besan, then corn flour, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, then black pepper, chaat masala, red chili powder and salt as per taste. Now we are going to mix it well. We're going to mix everything. We are going to mix all the soya chunks such that they'll get mixed really well in the marinade. And we'll set it aside for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'm adding some oil in the frying pan to heat it. For the wet coat, I'm going to add the maida. I'm also going to add some yogurt. Next, we are going to add ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to add some soya sauce. Now I'm going to add salt as per taste. Mix it and add a little bit of water to the mixture. Now we are going to add water little by little so that it gets the correct consistency. Add water little by little till all lumps are dissolved and mix it well. Add water till we have the coating consistency like so. Now for frying, we are going to need a crumb coat. For crumb coat, we are going to need breadcrumbs, salt and red chili powder. Mix. Now we will fry the soya chunks that have been resting for 10 minutes. For frying, I am going to take lumps of soya chunks and put them in the wet batter and mix them. Now we are going to add them into the breadcrumbs, okay, and frying, okay. Now that the frying part is done, let's taste it. It's quite crispy and amazing. But to make it more interesting, we are going to create our own spice mix. For the spice mix, we are going to need onion powder, garlic powder, chaat masala, and a little bit of black pepper. So let's just add this. Then garlic powder and chaat masala. Black pepper. Now I'm gonna mix it all. I'm going to toss all the popcorn into this.
Now that our popcorns are ready, it's time for the taste test. So I'm gonna taste the soya popcorn.
And I'm gonna taste the chicken popcorn.
This is so good.
Now let's taste the chicken popcorn. It's amazing. Also, a tip for this can be a vegan dish if you just skip the yogurt part. Do try this recipe at your New Year's party and let us know in the comment section. And also don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe. And Happy New Year!